Okay, let's try the financial question of this prelim paper. A vehicle has a value of 375,000 Rand and it depreciates, which means it loses value by this much, 17% per annum in the first 3 years, and then after that, 14% for the next 4 years. The depreciation is calculated using the reducing balance method. Well, you've got a formula that says A equals P times 1 minus I to the number of years. And so you just do the first part first. Now, they forgot to kind of type this in. What you do is to figure out what it depreciates to. You take the amount, 375,000, and you go 1 minus 0.17 to the third power. And that gives you after 3 years. Then you take that amount and you multiply it by 1 minus 0.14, but for 4 years, just like they said. When you multiply it all out, you get this 117,289 Rand and 56 cents. Okay. Recently, a married couple wants to buy a house. Their combined monthly salary is 46,000 Rand a month, but the bank requires that the monthly installment does not exceed 40% of that combined income. So you can't pay more than 40% of 46,000. So to figure out the maximum payment you're allowed to make to get started here, you just go 40%. You can even 40 over 100 times 46,000. The maximum payment you can make a month, that's the X value in the present value formula. We're taking out a loan, so whenever they say the word loan, you write P equals, because that's a formula that tells you the present value of the loan. So anyways, there's your X value, 40% of 46,000. Now, all you do is it says 20 years, that's 20 times 12. You write down the formula for present value. It's x 1 minus 1 plus I to the negative n. That's the number of payments over I. Well, there's your I, 0.0785. That's 7.85 divided by 100. But because it's monthly, you divide by 12. And 12 times 20 is negative 240. Just put all those numbers in your calculator, and you get the maximum loan that they can apply for. That's 2,224,562 Rand. So that's it. That's it. So, but you had to do it in steps. You had to figure out the bank requires a monthly installment. You had to figure out 40% of that their monthly income. That's what they get to pay a month, and the monthly payment goes there. If you understood the formula, you just do that, then just put in all the things, and you get the amount. It's not really so hard if you just understand the basic stuff.